Hi positive people, beautiful people, good day to you all, and thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. This is yours truly, Ego Unique. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to prepare oven grilled lemon chicken. These are all the ingredients I'll be requiring for today's cooking. Oven grilled lemon chicken. Oven grilled lemon chicken. I have the chicken and steak seasoning. It comprises of onions, garlic and chili, coriander. Say chicken and steak, so you can actually use it for chicken or steak. I bought this one here in Aldi. Chili and lemon seasoning. Chili and lemon seasoning. Bouillon to taste. You can use any bouillon or seasoning of your choice. This is just my preference. Spicy paprika for those that like it extra spicy. A teaspoon of vegetable oil. Just a teaspoon of vegetable oil. 750 grams of chicken thigh. I've already prepped the chicken and cleaned and washed it off camera, so it's ready. I removed every hair from the chicken. It's the soft boiling chicken. Take note, the soft boiling chicken. This is 750 grams of chicken thigh. We'll be needing as well the juice from one lemon. I've gotten ready the juice off camera. This is the juice of one lemon. So let's start. Add all ingredients into the already prepped chicken. I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of the chili and lemon seasoning. I'll add the chicken as well, the chicken and steak seasoning as well, just about half a teaspoon. If you like it spicy, you can add a bit of this or more. Your bouillon to taste, just about a teaspoon, not more than that. A teaspoon of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, just a teaspoon of vegetable oil to bind all the ingredients together so that the seasoning will marinate properly. So just a teaspoon of vegetable oil or sunflower oil if you may. I'll be adding the lemon juice to the chicken. Remember, what we're doing today is lemon chicken. This is a chicken that's infused with other seasoning and lemon. At the end of the day, we'll be having this tangy taste in the kitchen. Some put sugar or honey, but I'm not putting any of those, just the lemon. And I'll now mix it. I've set my oven to heat for 200 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, our chicken has fully marinated. All I have to do is just arrange it on my baking tray. After about 35 minutes, our oven grilled lemon chicken is ready. You can eat with any accompaniment of your choice, from rice to chips to fries. As you like it, is a win-win affair. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for your time. Have a go at this lemon chicken and let me know your thoughts on the comments. Thank you so much.